Right, lighting's probably shit. It's now 6 AM. We just got to car park, so gonna head over, get a shuttle bus and get in the airport. So morning race fans, 7 o'clock on Friday morning, getting everything ready now. Glad I strapped the awning top down properly yesterday, because we had quite a lot of rain last night. And the awning, she's full. Right, so we just finished track walk. Clarky, how are you feeling?
Yeah, good. The track looks mega. There's a few different rhythms that we're going to be trying out in practice, so we'll see. It's all about them whoops, I think. Try and get on top of them and make it faster than jumping them. That's the key. Big finish line jump. Yeah, nice big whip jump. We'll be getting sideways on that.
Loads of space after the landing, but no run up.
No run up. Yeah, make it a bit difficult for us. Yeah. I think what they've done, they've left that space for the run off at the start. Yeah. You know, so at least it makes the first turn a bit safer. Yeah. So hopefully we won't end up on the outside of the first turn. No, we're going down that inside. I'm putting a big emphasis on qualifying today. Good. And get a good gate pick and go from there. So back in the pits, Web. What's it looking like?
Back again, yeah, no, it looks good. The track's good. It's always pretty good here. And dirt's soft, so it sort of gets a bit more motocrossy, which is nice for the motocross style boys. No, I think the track will be good. I think it's quite even this weekend. Like there's nothing like crazy on the track to like change up. So I think everyone's going to be doing the same rhythms, and yeah, I think it'll just be a good chance to get out there and get amongst it. But we just need to try a bit in practice and just try and get a better time, so we got a better game pick.
So Clarky said he's putting a big focus on qualifying this week.
Yeah, I think it is a big focus because it's quite a long start straight, but you're back again into the left-hander, so you want to be on the inside. So yeah, big focus on qualifying today, and yeah, see how we get on the night.
Go get kitted up. See you in a bit. So we've got a new mechanic this weekend over in Belfast. This is Irish George, otherwise known as Adam. So he's going to be helping us out, but we should be having a good weekend, should we, boys?
Irish George, I love that.
See you boys in a bit. So between Q1 and Q2 we had to do some changeovers on Clarky's bike, so I asked Mark to get a bit of footage for me, and this is what he got. Mostly the bike he was leaning on and up his nose, so cheers Mark.
Yes.
we finished qualifying, all round good session. Clarky, what do you reckon?
Yeah, it was good. First one was really good. It was P3 and I had a good time. Second one, I struggled a little bit to get a flow. I was too stop-starty and I was trying to wait for a gap and people were going down the inside of me and stuff. So yeah, it was. I mean, P10, it's 5th gate pick, and this is a pretty fair start here.
Well, that's under adjudication at the minute.
Yeah,
we've got to check the times. The times are a bit funny, especially with Ebbs. So
yeah, well, same. I mean, both of my times were faster than what my average is.
Yeah.
So work that out.
So it don't really make sense, does it?
No.
And then Eb, how did you feel, mate?
Yeah, feel better every time on a bike, so it's positive.
Slight little tip over.
Yeah, had a few tip overs with back brake. We've got not power in it, but yeah, other than that, I felt better today. So yeah, looking forward to night show. It's something I think has had a bit of a hoo-ha with the combined timing, but yeah, hopefully it gets sorted out, and then we should have a pretty good gate pick. Like me and Steve should nearly be in the same sort of area on the start.
Hopefully you stay in individual heats, not together like you are now. But so then we're on to the night show, and fingers crossed both straight through to the main and be well away.
That's the plan.
So Wellesley's just come back in from his race. Second in qualifying, second in the race. How you feeling?
Hot, sweating. It was a rough ride, to be fair. I got a good start. I was worried about Sean beating me out the gate, but he didn't get as good jump as me. Louis got a good jump, I got a good jump. Louis jumped the double into the first rhythm straight though, which made a big difference to him and gave him the whole shot. And then I just had an easy second, to be fair. 1 or 2 came a bit close on the finish line jump because we were bunched up on the first lap, but other than that, we was just steady away. Second position, second in the qualifier, and it's probably going to put me about 3rd/4th going into the night show tonight. So we'll be in a good spot for a good gate pick.
On the podium again for this round, eh?
Yeah, that's the main thing to try and do. Yeah, we had a podium round 1. I felt like crap at round 2, but stuck with it, rode it out, ended up either 6th or 7th maybe it was, and then yeah, we're back at it this weekend. We're in the top 3, so we'll try and do the same again for the main event.
On to the night show.
this is it now. So this is all down to this one race. 15 laps. Winner takes all. Simple as that. This is his sort of like very aggressive race. This is just
so we'll bring the arse end down a little bit and just slow the rebound.
Nah, I felt like a fucking friggin'
Why? You don't want the inside that dog house here.
Did I end up like a 10 for 11?
Yeah, it must be around 10.
right. The worst you've ridden all day, it's a shame.
I just literally felt horrendous. Yeah, I felt like I couldn't keep my bike in a straight line. No matter what time. I even tried slowing down and like jumping the whoops and I got even worse.
So that was it for Friday for us. On Saturday I didn't actually get any footage, but it would have made for a great vlog. We had so much drama. Eb never actually ended up going out on Saturday. His shoulder was just too bad, so he got an early flight back to go and get a scan. Clarkey did really well in qualifying. Went out in the first heat, was absolutely blazing through the whoops, running in second place, and the front sprocket grenaded off the bike. Actually took out the input shaft from the motor as well. So between heat 1 and heat 2, we changed all the suspension, all his handlebars, all the plastics over onto Eb's bike, hopefully to make him comfortable. But Eb only had a handbrake, and Clarkey had never ridden with a handbrake, especially indoors. So Clarkey went out, couldn't get comfortable, basically finished towards the back of heat 2, which put him in the LCQ. So we, between the heat 2 and the LCQ, we had about 35 minutes. Jamie from Start Future was great. We managed to borrow a rear brake system off them. We put that on Eb's bike, got Clarkey to the start line as the 10-second board was going up. He went out for the LCQ. He qualified in third and got through to the main event. He got a solid 8th place in the main event, so that was great. That main event was full of so much controversy. Taylor Hammer had a big crash about 2 or 3 laps in. I believe he's broke both his ankles. And then there was, Dean Wilson got disqualified for jumping on a waved yellow, so that shifted the podium round. Then they reviewed the footage. Turned out he didn't jump on the wave yellow. The light started coming on as he got to it. He was literally past it as it went on. So yeah. That's it. So on to Aberdeen now, guys. Just the flight home.